So whether you're cashing out your crypto gains or you just need a little extra cash, today we're covering how you can step by step cash out your Bitcoin like a pro. Stick around to the end of the video and you'll learn how to do it quickly, safely, and without unnecessary fees. Let's dive right in. So first things first, why would someone want to cash out Bitcoin? Well, it could be for something as simple as paying the bills, funding a big purchase, or even just converting it because you think the price has peaked. Whatever your reason is, the process is pretty straightforward once you know your options. Let's break it down. So the most common ways to cash out your Bitcoin is 1. Cryptocurrency exchanges, 2. Bitcoin ATMs, 3. Peer-to-peer transactions, 4. Cryptocurrency debit cards, and 5. Third-party services. Let's talk about each one and find the right fit for you. Exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and even platforms like Odex and Pocket Option are some of the easiest ways to cash out your Bitcoin. Here's how. First, you have to transfer your Bitcoin to the exchange wallet. Then now you have to sell your Bitcoin for your preferred currency, like dollars or euros. Then finally, it's as simple as just withdrawing the money to your linked bank account or PayPal. This is the easiest method for converting your Bitcoin into actual usable currency, but please keep in mind that exchanges usually charge fees upwards of 5% even, and you'll need to verify your identity if you haven't already. Next is Bitcoin ATMs, and these are popping off everywhere. So if you're in a big city, you're likely near a couple of them. They make cashing out Bitcoin super simple. So first you have to scan your Bitcoin wallet QR code, then enter the amount you want to cash out, and finally confirm your transaction to grab your cash. These are super easy to use, but they do charge fairly high fees, sometimes even higher than exchange. Next up, we have peer-to-peer transactions. So we have platforms like Paxful or local Bitcoins, which lets you connect with buyers directly. So first, you have to list the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. And after that, you want to negotiate with potential buyers on the price and payment method. And then finally, once they send payment, you release the Bitcoin to them. This method gives you a little bit more control of the prices, so you might not incur as much loss, but it does take a lot longer and it requires some trust in the buyer. Next is crypto debit cards, which are really convenient ways to spend or withdraw your Bitcoin as cash. These cards, like those from crypto.com or BitPay, let you load crypto and spend it just like regular debit cards. Some allow you to even withdraw cash from ATMs. It's super easy. Lastly, you can use third-party payment sources like PayPal or Venmo, and they've made it possible to sell Bitcoin directly on their apps and withdraw funds to your bank account. So just keep an eye on the fees because they can add up pretty fast. So now before we wrap up, here are a few important tips. The first is double check fees. So whether you're using an exchange or an ATM, you have to know what you're being charged, or else you could get scammed for your bet. I know some people have been charged upwards of 10%, some ATMs, because they're just rip-off ATMs. So you have to keep an eye out for those. Next, you have to beware of scams. So if you're selling Bitcoin directly to someone, only deal with trusted buyers. This means if someone asks you to go off the platform, and send the Bitcoin before getting the payment, trying to avoid any escrow process, then it's likely a scam. And you want to watch the market. So Bitcoin prices can fluctuate a lot. So cash out when the timing feels right for you. And one more thing, don't forget about taxes. So in most countries, converting Bitcoin to cash is considered a taxable event. So report it to avoid surprises. If you want a deeper dive into the crypto world and learn more about the smart moves with your investments, head over to BeCoin.net. It's packed with tips, resources, and tools to help you level up your game. And here's an awesome bonus for you as well. If you're looking to start trading on platforms like Pocket Option or Codex, you can get up to 50% your first deposit through BeCoin.net. Don't want to miss this out. So check our description below and start trading today. See you in the next video.